Okay, so this tutorial is about volume. I'm guessing you've heard about the 10,000 hour rule. You know, the rule that if you spend 10,000 hours on a certain trade, talent or hobby or whatever, you'll get better at that specific talent. Do something for 10,000 hours and you'll become a master of that trade. Well, it's worthless as all if you spend a lot of time on just a few drawings. Now, I'm going to say it. This may sound weird, but here goes. Getting better at drawing is not about creating quality. It's about creating volume. In the beginning, it's quantity over quality. It's better to draw 1,000 okayish artworks than it is to draw 10 really great ones. So this means it's not only the time you invest in learning, it's the output as well. But here's the kicker. Most students always go for quality because they want the great end result. They want the drawing to impress people. They want a really great artwork that shows how good they are. Get over yourself, put your ego in the freezer for the next 2 years and just draw. So, here's the exercise you can do at home. Each day, block your agenda and find 5 pictures to draw from. Just get them off the web or out of a magazine, I don't care. Don't overthink this. Don't be picky, just find 5 interesting pictures. Set the alarm clock on your phone and only take 2 minutes per picture to draw. Like this. Don't cheat because the point isn't a nice drawing. It's forcing yourself to look at things that are important. Because of the restricted time, you will start omitting details automatically. That is what this lesson is about. It's about letting go of detail and developing skills that'll make you see the important shapes and spatial relationships. Bam! Done. 5 drawings a day will take you about 10 minutes. Everybody has 10 minutes a day to spare. If you want to do more, go for it. I think 5 is the minimum, but more is better. So, start improving your drawing speed and accuracy by drawing volume. Start today and I'll see you next time.